Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you are highly welcome and thank you for clicking in. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to make your homemade vitamin C brightening serum. This brightening serum is a must-have. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any step, okay? So in making this, all you need is orange, and I'll be using 2 oranges. I have thoroughly washed these oranges, like I scrubbed it and and part dried it so that it won't be wet. So I will go ahead and grate it in order to get out the orange zest from the oranges. You have to be careful when doing this so that you don't scrape in the white part of it, the inner part of it, into your zest, because you only need the orange zest at this point. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any video. Like this video already, and don't forget to share at the end of this video. So you see, after the grating, this is the zest I was able to get from the 2 oranges, and it's so amazing. So this is the empty bottle that I'll be using to process this. Just keep on watching as I do so. I'm just going to go ahead and pack everything into the empty bottle, and after packing it in, this is how it is inside the empty bottle. You need empty jar for this. And I will go ahead to add my rose water into my orange zest. So this is the quantity that I am adding. I don't really want it much because my storage container, that's my vitamin C container, is actually small sized. So I only need enough for me. So if you are making much, if you want it much, you can actually make more zest. You can actually add more rose water. So this is what I am doing. This is just enough for the orange zest. Okay, so after pressing it down, this is how it looks like. And I will just go ahead and cover it so tightly and keep it in a safe place for like 6 hours. But in my case, I kept it till the next day because it was already late when I was making this. So the next day, this is how it looks like. It's shiny, it's beautiful, like the orange zest is already losing its color. Then I went ahead to sieve it from the orange zest to separate the water from the orange zest, which the water already have combination of oil from the zest and the rose water itself. So this is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful. I love the color. I love the everything about this vitamin C serum. So I went ahead to add my glycerin oil. So this is my glycerin oil. You can add depending on the quantity of the vitamin C serum that you are making. So for this quantity, I added about 3 teaspoons of glycerin oil. Then go ahead and give it a very quick mix. And this is my aloe vera gel. So I'll be adding this aloe vera gel into the mixture for moisturization, and it's very good. So I added about 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel into this mixture and mix very well. Guys, if you have watched to this extent and you have not liked this video, I don't know what you are waiting for. Just give me that like this video, because a lot of people need to learn this. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you will not miss any video whenever I upload. So after mixing the aloe vera, this takes some time to mix together so that it will properly incorporate into the mixture of the orange zest and rose water. So I went ahead to add my vitamin E. This is very nice because it's going to help keep your skin smooth, soft, and moisturized. And this also takes a while to mix. So you also mix it together, and this is the end result. This is how it looks like. It smells so nice and feels so good on the skin. I love it. I love it. I love it. The fragrance is heavenly. I didn't add any external fragrance, but the mixture of the three fragrance from the rose water, the orange zest, and the aloe vera gel gave it a very nice fragrance. It smells so good. You need to perceive this, and it feels so good on the skin. So this is what I have here. So after filling it into my vitamin C serum container, into my empty container, I have this left, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead to use it so that you will see. So it's early morning, and yeah, I just wiped off my face, and I'll be using it on my face. It feels so good. Thank you if you have watched to this extent. I believe you have learned something from this video. Please give it a like. Also, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, okay? Drop your opinion there and your questions also. And also, if you wish to support me, you can go ahead and super chat me on this video, okay? I will really appreciate that. So I am using my homemade vitamin C serum, and it feels so good on my skin. I love it. I love the fragrance. I can say that over and over again. It feels so good. It's so nice. So this will help brighten your skin, make your skin smooth, and get rid of acne and a lot of other things that it will do for your skin. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you if you have watched to this extent. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video before you go. Stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.